If you have neuropathy and you've already tried B12 or even a full B complex and you're still struggling, I want to tell you why. And it's not that supplements don't work, it's that your nerves don't run on one nutrient. They run on 5 interconnected biological systems all at once. And if you're only feeding one of them, you're leaving the other 4 to fail on their own. I'm Dr. Michael Fitzmaurice. My background is peripheral nerve surgery, and I now work with patients online who have been told there is nothing they can do about their neuropathy. Today, I want to show you the actual biology, because once you understand how your nerves work, you'll understand exactly why single nutrient approaches so often fall short. Here's the analogy most people are working with. Nerves are like electrical cables. A signal travels from A to B. If something goes wrong, the cable is damaged. That's not wrong, but it's incomplete in a way that really matters. Unlike a copper wire, your nerves are alive. They're actively metabolizing. They're consuming energy. They're maintaining themselves, signaling to each other, responding to what's in your blood right now while you're watching. For your nerves to function properly, there are 5 biological systems that need to be running at the same time. First is ATP production, the energy your neurons need just to fire a signal. Second, mitochondrial integrity, because that energy comes from these tiny cellular power plants and they can burn out. Third is myelin synthesis and repair. This is the insulating layer around your nerve fibers that keeps signals fast and accurate. Fourth is controlled inflammation, because unchecked inflammatory signaling increases nerve sensitivity and pain over time. And finally, fifth, microcirculation, the blood flow delivering oxygen, nutrients, and nerve growth factors to every fiber in your body. If any of these systems is under pressure, nerve function suffers, even if the other 4 look fine. In the next segment, I'm going to walk you through each of these 5 systems so you understand exactly what's happening inside your body.